No.
No?
I fell this morning on my knee.
How many ladies? How many ladies did you have last night?
Yeah?
How many ladies did you have last
That's
night?
what I'm talking about. I won't last this long if I had any ladies.
Oh yeah? I thought you said you were irresistible to women.
No, but that's the way it is. Every year I do this shit. Especially with the garbage.
It's Filipino, Pinoy power, huh?
Huh?
Pinoy power, huh?
No, especially with the garbage power. Somebody's got to do it.
Yeah. Yeah, the
You
real
like
puff.
my beard, though?
The real Puff Daddy, huh?
Yeah.
Do it again, do it again.
Yeah.
The real.
I'm going to. One spin.
You do it again, huh?
You know, my wife is looking at me. She's going to be surprised. I got more than see that.
The real Puff Daddy.